isometric pull-up and eccentric pull-up at the same time. So this is a 5-second hold at the top, and then we have a 5-second descent. So we're squeezing our lats, we're maximizing lat activation and upper back activation holding at the top here. And then after 5 seconds, we come down for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Once we fully extend, we jump right back up to the top. 5 again at the top, 5 at the bottom. And then pro tip, we want to bring our elbows forward slightly. This is going to further increase our lat activation, making this exercise more effective. And then again with that 5-second eccentric, 5 seconds down, slow and controlled. We also want to make sure we are activating our core, so squeeze those abs, squeeze those spinal erectors to avoid any rocking back and forth on this exercise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Also, with that super slow eccentric, we're placing more tension on those lats. So coming down super slow, we're placing more tension on those lats, which is going to further increase our muscle size and our strength.